Next mark, sir. Anand sir here.
Sir, look here. आनंद सर यहाँ पे सामने. Sir, look here.
Thank you, sir. मोबाइल पीछे ले, कौन है?
आइए नेक्स्ट मार्क.
Next mark, ma'am. And look center, yeah, here.
Ma'am, look here, center. मैम यहाँ पे सामने देखिए.
अब यहाँ देखिए सामने.
मैम सामने सामने.
Thank you, thank you, ma'am.
आनंद सर यहाँ पे भी मैं अभी वहाँ पे प्लीज.
अभी आए सर, थोड़ा सा एक
यहाँ पे सामने देखिए.
आनंद सर यहाँ पर
सर यहाँ पे. आनंद सर यहाँ पे.
डन.
सर यहाँ पे वन मोर.
यहाँ पे देखो सर सेंटर में.
मैं चाहिए ना बे.
ये
मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ यार, आप और मैं नहीं कम कर लीजिए.
आइए नेक्स्ट मार्क.
Yeah, yeah.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Yeah, look here.
Naya Saal Mubarak.
मैम look here, center.
Ma'am, center, center.
Wait, I'm coming from here.
लाइट कितना खराब है.
And here.
अभी सेंटर. यस मैम. सामने देखो, सामने. मैम राइट. सामने सामने. मैम लेफ्ट मोर टाइम राइट. मैम राइट. मैम राइट.
चलो थैंक यू.
Thank you.
All of you, all of you. Come with, yeah.
Got it.
थैंक यू.
Of course.
सर यहाँ पे.
One word. I have a lot of words to describe it.
और नेक्स्ट मार्क भाई.
Next mark. And look center, yeah.
Look here, center. Look straight. Look right. Sir, right. Right. Left, sir.
These great minds together. So
Thank you so much.
cinema that the world is, just making it about the future we are.
Look here.
Look here, look here.
Start from the left side.
So, इनका talks about the night time और Indian film
सर यहाँ पे सामने देखिए. Right.
Thank you. ये दो यार यहाँ.
आइए नेक्स्ट मार्क.
सर look here. सर मैं यहाँ पे सामने. सर मैं सामने यहाँ पे.
Yeah, look center.
सर मैं look here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
भाई मजाक नहीं कर रहे. इसके ले ले. अरे हिला मत. सर.
Sir, look here.
Sir, yeah, yeah.
Sir, right. Sir, left, sir. यहाँ सामने देखो. Sir, right.
Thank you.
Sir, just wait. Look here.
आँख मारो लाइट भाई.
Sir, सामने देखिए.
Inca talks about language.
Sir, right में right. Left. Sir, यहाँ पे turn कीजिए.
So what does this first mean?
Here, look here.
Both of you, yeah.
अरे लाइट
के सोलो.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
अरे मुझे ले मोबाइल.
सर समोर एकदम. रोहित सर समोर एकदम. अरे क्या लाइट है रे? On your right side, sir. रोहित सर one more center camera. रोहित सर on your right side.
नेक्स्ट मार्क.
रोहित सर नेक्स्ट मार्क. रोहित सर यहाँ पे.
रोहित सर इकडे.
इकडे समोर बघा. ये लाइट.
लाइट.
सर राइट में.
भूत आ गया.
रोहित सर सामने.
सर यहाँ पे.
सर सामने. गाड़ी चालू हो गया.
रोहित सर इकडे.
सर राइट.
Thank you, sir.
It's a wonderful initiative. First of all, I must thanks to Vishnu and Shivashish to think about it, because we have been working for last 40-45 years, and it's true that India produces a large number of productions, and we do have a lot of languages, regions, but end of the day, I think the time is changing, and it's just not the cinema. There are a lot of technicians, writers, talents from different parts of our country. I think this is a great initiative for the future, especially because I think the language is not the important factor right now. We can really see that a lot of films are coming from Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi. So I think this is a great platform for the future talents to come together. And one most important thing that we don't have that much of exposure also. There might be somebody sitting in Odisha doing a wonderful job. We don't have that exposure. I think this kind of a platform will really help the younger generation to come together, and they will get a huge exposure. So thank you so much for calling me here and for the great evening, and once again congratulations to the entire team, and looking forward for Inca Awards. Thank you so much.
प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड, थैंक यू. जो अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म ने आप लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हैं इंडियन फिल्म के लिए. 10 साल पहले तो साउथ फिल्म, हिंदी फिल्म बोलते थे. अभी एक ही पैन इंडिया फिल्म, छोटा फिल्म भी बड़ा फिल्म भी, बिकॉज ऑफ OTT. सब OTT में सबटाइटल के साथ ऑल लैंग्वेजेस फिल्म दे आर टेकिंग फुल राइट्स. सो सबको इंडियन फिल्म बना दिए. उन लोगों को भी थैंक्स बोलना, बिकॉज आज अपना इंडियन फिल्म बन गए. तो उसके लिए जो आप लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए आप 2 मंथ्स में मार्च 8 एंड 9 जो आपका इवेंट है, सो तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आपको जो भी सपोर्ट, वी आर रेडी टू डू. सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस.
Time back, I got opportunity to work with Rahman sir in number of films. So because of Rahman sir, what used to happen, we used to record songs in Hindi, and then again, as the Raju sir said, it used to get dubbed in Tamil and Telugu. And when I used to listen to those songs in those languages, I used to feel very new about it. Because language is such a beautiful thing. No one's the same song in a different language. It changes your vision. It gives you a different perspective. So, as a storyteller, I always feel that there are a number of stories which die within you because you are dealing or you are treating it in a one language thing. At times you feel that this film will look or feel or with its culture look very nice if I do it in Bengali. But as a maker, I can't go there and make it. I think this initiative will help me to tell, and makers like me will help me to tell a lot of stories. And trust me, I feel very sorry that it is happening so late. If it was 10 years before, I would have told 10 or 12 more stories. So thank you, Vishnu, for doing this, and it's a great initiative and looking forward to it. Thank you very much.
It doesn't do anything to the film or to the filmmaker, except you get an award. So when we compare ourselves with the Oscar awards, if a film is recognized or a talent is recognized, it is commercially benefit to him or to the film much, much larger way. Whereas even a national award or any other awards here doesn't make anything to the filmmaker or to the film. So I have been advocating earlier also that all awards has to be commercially influenced, either in terms of money or in terms of respect. For example, if film wins an award and any platform buys it because it's won an award, it's a competition. Because any talent, anybody to work, there is no incentive into getting this award unless it is recognized. And every action of everybody has to be translated into commercial interest. So I think if you guys think on that, I think it will do good. Anyway, congratulations again. Awards will continue to be there. All the best. Thank you.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਆਦਾਬ। ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਬੋਲ ਸਕਦਾ? ਓਕੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੀਰ ਵਿਸ਼ਨੂੰ ਇੰਦੋਰੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ। ਬੜਾ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਦੀ ਔਰ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ। ਔਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ 'ਚੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੋਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਂ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਹੈਵਿੰਗ ਮੀ ਹੇਅਰ। ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮਾਇਨਾਜ਼ ਹਸਤੀਆਂ ਬੈਠੀਆਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਆਦਾਬ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Very good evening. I had no idea I was going to speak. Hi, everybody. Namaskar. Only Vishnu can come up with an initiative like this. Just not one industry, but bringing the entire cinema, languages, across boards to one platform. And I don't know how he does it time and again. I really want to congratulate him and wish him all the success. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
I didn't know I was supposed to say anything, but this is probably the first time I have actually come on a platform which is related to film awards. I will only say, let's not make it a you scratch my back, I scratch my back, performance करवानी है actor से, तो जो है उसे award दे देते हैं. We all know, everyone, all of us know in the industry what is happening, how the awards are being given. Let's try and not make this that platform. I really liked when Vishnu said it might not be the biggest award show, it probably might be the most credible award show. I think let's aspire to make it, that credible award show and see if we can land somewhere. If we are credible, I think we'll probably become bigger as well. But yeah, that's what I would say. Best of luck.
Good evening, everybody. Namaskar. I'm surprised that I've been calling on the stage to speak 2 words. I completely agree with Vishnu when he said the word belief. We've just met twice, but I could see the determination, faith, and above all, belief in his eyes. And then we all at Guild gave our complete faith and trust to Vishnu. And Producers Guild is more than happy to join hands with Vishnu and Inka, and we wish them all a great success. Thank you.
Thank you. I think we are all caught like deer in the headlights. We had no idea we were supposed to speak. If it were the case, we would have prepared. But I think it's the order of the time that we keep it short and sweet. We know filmmaking is no mean activity. It takes a village. And a common platform like this, where we have the opportunity to cross-pollinate across all the multiple film industries that we have, I think makes for a very potent cauldron where we are able to draw from each other's strengths and get inspired from each other, which we've been doing for ages. Coming to this particular award, I think well begun is half done, which I think we have. There's been a lot of effort that has gone in, whether it's Vishnu, whether it's his team, the people from the guild, everybody contributed, everybody came to the party, which is why we are here. But I will borrow from everybody who has said something about the fact that more than anything else, aside from the commerce of it, I think credibility is really, really important, because if we want to be here for the long haul, we have to make sure that we matter and we do it right. So here's hoping, and good luck to everybody, and thank you so much.
Hi and good evening to everyone. Vanakkam. It gives me great pleasure to be here to see such big stalwarts. Only a man with big dreams can dream of coming up with something like Inca. And when you talk about Vishnu and his team with his better half, Brinda, only they could have thought about something like this. I have been advocating for a very long time that the terms of endearment, what we use, Collywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, and different terms, we should be doing away with that, because we all come under one umbrella as Indian filmmakers who believe in making good films for Indian cinema. And today I'm more than glad to see that all of us coming under the same, on the same platform and under one large umbrella, along with the Producers Guild, to say that we belong to Indian cinema and not divided by any region or barriers of the language. Because I'm sure all of us in this auditorium believe today that an art is fluid. It cannot be captured or it cannot be bracketed into one area. So let's all flow together and make this bigger. Yes, the credibility everybody has been talking about, and I can vouch for Vishnu and his team that Inca is going to be about credibility. It's not about who's going to come and perform, so they will be awarded. We promise that we are going to make sure that it's about credibility, and the rightly deserving people take the awards back home. And Vishnu, just one request. I mean, the AV, what has been presented is fantastic, fantabulous, taking all the different languages. But the only thing is, cinema is not only about the actors. We have some great filmmakers. I'm disappointed that I don't see Anand, or I don't see even a filmmaker like Rohit Shetty on that screen there, because I would love to see Shankar or Mani Ratnam or K. Raghavendra Rao here. So when you make an AV next time, please make sure that we have the real heroes behind the screen gracing the screen here too. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you, ma'am. And now, next, an artist who connects cinema to the heart of Bharat, Mr. Manoj Tiwari.
आप सबको नमस्कार। मैंने एक फिल्म करी थी 2004 में, 30 लाख में बनी थी और 54 करोड़ का बिजनेस हुआ। भोजपुरी की फिल्म थी, लेकिन न तो उसके डायरेक्टर को पुरस्कार मिला, न तो उसके राइटर को मिला, न तो एक्टर को मिला। थैंक यू विष्णु। हमें दूसरे को कुछ कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं। हमारे समाज में कहा जाता है, देश में, कि हमेशा एक लंबी लाइन खींच दीजिए। वो विष्णु ने किया है, और मैं विष्णु इंदौरी की क्षमता जानता हूँ। हम लोग हमारे नंबर तो बहुत हैं, क्योंकि हम ही हिंदी सिनेमा भी देखते हैं, मगर हम 34 करोड़ भोजपुरी भाषी होके हम हमेशा हम नहीं जानते थे चेन्नई में कौन है, मलयालम में कौन है। विष्णु ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जहाँ से हम सबको जानने लगे और हम लोगों को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा जानने लगे। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि INCA बहुत बड़ा कदम है और बहुत बड़ा होगा।
Congratulations, Vishnu. This is a great initiative, and we are so proud of you that you kind of, got this to us. And I'm sure Producers Guild will take every step with you and make it a very big award. Incredible India needed a credible award, and I think Inca Awards are those awards that will make Incredible India even bigger. Also, I feel that the medium of cinema can actually unite so many hearts, so many people through the culture and the language. And these are the awards that will do it. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Be here. And knowing Mr. Vishnu Induri and Shubhashish Sarkar for a long time now, I feel that they will deliver. I think everyone's been speaking about credible awards, and I think it's a must, because when we have awards in our country, we generally take the awards, see the performances, and forget the next day. But I think it's very important, and I think Mr. Dil Raju raised a very valid point about Pan-India. I think it's a beautiful thing to get every industry under an umbrella, and I wish Vishnu Induri and Shubhashish Sarkar all the best and loads of luck to them. Thank you very much.
गुड इवनिंग। ऑलरेडी सब लोग इतना बोल चुके हैं विष्णु सर, शुभाशीष सर के बारे में एंड इनका के बारे में। आई थिंक it's one nation, one celebration, and one cinema. It should be, that is Indian cinema. The sad part about the footfall of any film, all our producers and directors will agree to it. Like our country is like 140 करोड़ की आबादी है। एक ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म होती है या जो सबसे बड़ी भी हिट हो जाती है, and when you count the footfall, it's just 3 or 4 crore, not more than that. 3 से 4 करोड़ लोग फिल्म थिएटर में देखते हैं, and the reason behind it is the language barrier, or maybe the other reason can be कि we don't recognize those technicians. जैसे अभी जब AV में देख रहा था, and I really thank खुशबू जी के next AV में हम सब होने चाहिए. That's a great initiative. But what I say on a serious note is maybe an Odia director, or a cameraman from there, or an Assami director, or a technician from there will get the recognition on this platform, and will get a better platform, a bigger platform from here, where he can show his talent to the whole world. And I think it's high time that we all come together. Again, like what Khushbu ma'am said, ke Bollywood, Tollywood, ये एक पहले इनिशिएटिव शुरू हुआ था, इसे मजाक के तौर पे कहा जाता था. It's not something to be proud of being called as Bollywood. We are हिंदी सिनेमा, इंडियन सिनेमा, तेलुगु सिनेमा. अब ये कॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड हो गया है. I think it's high time we all come together and make Indian cinema proud. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, thank you, everyone. Requesting media, we will start with a little Q&A. Okay. Okay, we'll start with a picture and then we'll head to the Q&A. Yes, thank you. Please stay back. Please stay back on the stage. We'll do a quick Q&A. A very small, a very quick one. Okay, we can take the questions now.
Hi, Center here, Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood. मेरा सवाल, hello, stand up. Is it clear now? Hi. मेरा सवाल विष्णु जी से है. I think सभी जो डिग्निटरीज हैं यहाँ पे मंच पे उन्होंने एक बात जो कॉमन कही बार बार क्रेडिबिलिटी की और सर जैसे ऑब्वियसली जो बात की जा रही है वादा किए जा रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या हम ये मान लें कि जब क्रेडिबिलिटी की बात आती है तो शायद इस अवार्ड्स में हमें जो नॉर्मली हमारे आम अवार्ड्स में रहता है कि बेस्ट एक्टर बेस्ट फिल्म पॉपुलर वो कैटेगरी यहाँ पे नहीं होगी.
So one thing that we promise is why we are telling credibility is we are not chasing performances. There won't be any paid performances at INCA. There won't be any performances of big stars. It's going to be an interactive award show where the guests will be interacting with the hosts only, and we won't have any performances where we have to chase big stars for that. The second one is we are not going to be broadcasted on a regular GEC channel where we will be forced to spend money to bring big stars, sponsors and all to fill the 3 to 4 hours. So we are going to be digital first, just what Oscars has adopted. So we are going to be the digital only award show where we are not going to chase stars for compromising the awards for the star presence. So that's the first thing that I can tell you. The suggestion also came from some well-wishers.
My just last question is, ये awards basically उत्तर से लेके दक्षिण पूरब से लेके पश्चिम के सिनेमा जो है उन्हें cover करेगा. I think there's a curiosity कि इसकी jury कैसे होगी, like जो तेलुगु से है उसकी jury तेलुगु का ही decide करेगी. इस पे कुछ चर्चा हुई है कि jury कैसे होगी, because this is like covering you know the best Indian cinema. So I think jury उस पे कुछ सोचा है?
So we are creating voting mechanism where all the association members, the respective film bodies members will get a code and they have to fill that code and then they will have to vote it. So it will be the members from the film fraternity who will be voting for this awards like the Oscars. Like we are trying to replicate the best practices from various awards across the world, and we are learning things from different platforms, and we are trying to make it as seamless and as transparent as possible. We are not yet perfect, but we are trying to learn, improve, and do the best possible over the next couple of weeks.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for the initiative.
If you talk about similarity, there will be a similarity between every award, ma'am. It's the way it is done. This is being selected through the film body, and this awards will be voted by film bodies across the country. So it's Film Fraternity Awards. Yeah.
रोहित जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
ओके. हाँ, मैं पीछे था कि कोई पूछेगा नहीं. क्योंकि अवार्ड और मेरा दूर दूर तक कोई रिश्ता नाता है नहीं. 17 फिल्में हो गई, सिर्फ होस्टिंग के लिए जाता हूँ. हाँ.
नहीं, मेरा सवाल इसलिए आपसे है क्योंकि यूजुअली साउथ का और हिंदी सिनेमा पर बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रश्न चिन्ह लगते रहे हैं, और आपने एक बार बहुत ही खूबसूरत जवाब दिया था जब कमल हसन जी ने हम लोगों को बताया था कि पैन इंडिया फिल्म में हम नहीं मानते हैं कि दक्षिण और उत्तर में कोई भेदभाव है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंपेयर किया जाता है. आप दक्षिण से आते हैं और हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो आप क्या सोचते हैं इस?
नहीं, मैं वो तो सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे तो कोई डिस्कस करेगा ही नहीं इस चीज़ को. सब सेलिब्रिटी करेंगे. एंड मतलब जब से सिनेमा बना है तब से वहाँ के प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस यहाँ फिल्में बनाते रहे हैं, वहाँ के डायरेक्टर्स यहाँ फिल्में बनाते रहे हैं, और यहाँ की फिल्में वहाँ बनती रही हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट अब जाके वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा वो हो जाता है, कंट्रोवर्शियल हो जाती है चीज़ें कि अरे आपने वो रीमेक कर दी या आपने यहाँ की है. ऐसा नहीं है, ये सब 50 से चला आ रहा है. एल वी प्रसाद सर इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ इतनी सारी फिल्में बनाई हैं. हमारे जो 70s की अमित जी की फिल्म है वो वहाँ पे कितनी बार बनी है, आज भी बनती है। 3 इडियट्स भी वहाँ पे बनी थी, कहानी अगर आप देखें तो वहाँ बनी है, क्वीन वहाँ पर बनी है, उसी तरह से हमारी भी फिल्में बनती है। एंड आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल सेलिब्रेट सिनेमा नाउ। वर्ल्ड जो है वो छोटा होता जा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, हर एक स्टेट का बच्चा जानता है कि ये कौन से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से है या ये कौन हीरो हैं, यू नो। सो व्हाई नॉट वी ऑल कम टुगेदर नाउ एंड क्रिएट समथिंग एंड के वो वर्ल्ड नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया के हम जब रिकग्नाइज किए जाएं तो बाहर वाला ये नहीं पूछे कि ये कौन से स्टेट्स है, उसे सिर्फ ये पता चले कि अच्छा ये इंडियन एक्टर है या ये इंडियन फिल्म है या ये इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर है।
थैंक यू।
Just take one last
रोहित
question
जी
now.
आपके ठीक सामने थोड़ा सेंटर में आ जाइए, वहाँ थोड़ा लाइट ज़्यादा है तो
मैं जा रहा हूँ, आ जाएगी लाइट।
सो रोहित जी, क्या हम ऐसा माने कि फ्यूचर में आप कोई एक ऐसी फिल्म बनाएंगे जहाँ पर हिंदुस्तान में जितना भी सिनेमा है, जितने भी सिनेमा उन सभी के एक एक दो दो एक्टर को जोड़कर कोई ऐसी एक लार्ज फिल्म बनाएंगे आप?
सारे?
हाँ सारे।
सोचता हूँ।
मनोज जी,
मुकेश इज द बेटर एग्जाम, उनको कास्टिंग उनको करनी पड़ेगी। मुकेश जस्ट स्टैंड अप, अभी धुरंधर की जो कास्टिंग इन्होंने की है कमाल की है ना, ये इनिशिएटिव मुकेश को लेना पड़ेगा हमसे ज्यादा।
मनोज जी, प्रिया मिश्रा हियर फ्रॉम बजूका। आपने भोजपुरी सिनेमा का सफ़र ज़ीरो से देखा है और आज भोजपुरी इंडस्ट्री के जो आर्टिस्ट हैं नेशनल अवार्ड उनको मिल रहा है, हर अवार्ड फंक्शन में वो शामिल होते हैं, तो क्या लगता है कि फाइनली अब भोजपुरी इंडस्ट्री को उसका ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट मिल रहा है?
नहीं, अभी बाकी है।
कैसे, आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए।
अभी तो उसका बेस्ट टाइम आना अभी बाकी है और वो शायद INCA के इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बाद हो सकता है।
Here, Abira from NDTV. Vishnu, this question is for you. We have seen different kinds of awards for choreographer, for director, actor, of course, technicians. Are we getting any awards for casting this time?
Yeah, we have a segment for that.
Okay, just...
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all the questions. You may all take your seats. Thank you. Yes. We would like to express our deepest gratitude to our titled sponsor, Kalyan Jewelers, for their invaluable support and Inca Awards. Their commitment to excellence and heritage perfectly aligns with the spirit of this celebration. And we are honored to have them as our partners. Thank you, everybody. It was absolutely wonderful hosting you guys. And the dinner is ready and served outside by the pool side. Thank you and good night.
Hello.